Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Babak Alagha. I am a chiropractic physician. I have more than 15 years of experience in practicing chiropractic, working as a sports physician and also clinical instructor. So this patient, a cricket player, came to me having neck pain, mid back pain, shoulder pain, and low back pain. So after doing the physical exam, I found out that this patient has a biomechanical issues in the spine. So by applying the conservative chiropractic adjustment techniques, I fixed the problem. And after treatment, the patient feels much better in the neck, shoulder, mid back, and low back.